The birth of a saw. Yeah. Let's give you a look at the name of it. Trying to find out the date and more about it. It's a saw bench, planer. I think it's a thicknesser and a spindle moulder. Cast iron. It's come out of an old woodwork shop. Basically, I think most of it is there. I've still got the beds to pick up out of the van. I just didn't know if anybody knew much about this one. Slowly dry fitting it together and greasing up the journals, and there's the spindle moulder. Whoops, let's pull that old truck out of the way a minute. Got a lot of stuff for it. I cut the saw blades. I got loads of spindle mould parts. I got 3 or 4 spindles to go into it. And basically I was just hoping that somebody out there would know a bit more about it. It's all free running now. Really smooth. There's a all the teeth are there. There's one little chip there on one of the main cogs, but other than that it has survived. I believe it's around 1920, but I can't find any information on this item, let alone seeing one working. Again, it's a Kirchner and Co Sawmill, engineers of London, but I believe it's a German machine. I think that's a thicknesser planer as well. I haven't seen them before, but this one is to hopefully build all my windows and doors and everything else on that big place. Yeah. So basically, if anybody's got any information on this one, hopefully we should see it running soon. There's a few more bits to go on it, and I'll put another video up of the whole thing complete, or as complete as I think I've got. It came out of an old woodwork shop in Buckfastleigh in Devon. It had been built into situ, so the whole thing had to be unbolted and carried out bit by bit, which was a heavy job. But if anybody's got any information on it, let me know, because I'd love to find out some more information on this. There'll be another video up, or I might tag it onto this when I've got the beds on it.